the knowledge and centuries of experience that, you get to come and listen and learn and, really hone in your skills of how to be a leader. The entire time you're here, you're just getting filled with knowledge. So.
It lights a fire under me every time I come here, and I come back with all these ideas and all these bright eyes, bright ideas, and I'm like, okay, I'm ready to get stuff done, which is also awesome. I'd say that is a huge thing. Even from being here today and being a mentor, I'm like, okay, got all these things that we want to do. We need to do these when we get back.